Here we have little Nathan in his high chair at Nanny's, and he is now finished his breakfast, and he's trying to figure out how the snaps go. He's been doing this for 15 minutes. Pulls up the bottom piece, and then he takes the other piece. He's only 9 months old. He knows that they definitely go together and keep him safe. Now let's just watch how Nathan can figure this out. What a smart boy. Look at that, Nathan. Look at that. No, it's okay. Yes, he doesn't get frustrated. He just keeps working at it. Try again, honey. That's it. Try again. Yes, we're just going to get this problem-solving video done. 9 months old. And take the white piece and snap it into the other. That's a boy. That's it. Good boy. Pretty close. Try to get it in there. Try to get it in. There we go. Can you do it? No, I think he's had enough. He wants the cord. Let's see. Oh, see, Mommy and Daddy are staying down the cottage for one more day, and now we gotta go. Oh, say bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, you're gonna try again. You're gonna try again and get me out of the way. Anyway, I think that's enough for the problem solving for today. Bye-bye.